extinction today, a radio book named Blizzard. Chapter 1. What is a blizzard? Mixed together with strong winds and heavy snow, what do you get? A blizzard. Blizzards are one of nature's most powerful storms. Fast fact, it has to be less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit for snow to fall. Blizzards only happen when it is cold. Why? On warm days, clouds make rain, but on very cold days, the waters that fall to earth is fallen. That makes snow. Fast fact, snow contains a lot of air. That makes it much lighter than water. In a blizzard, it does not just snow. It snows and snows and snows. A little snow is fun, but a lot of snow can be dangerous. Snowflakes look like this when it's closed up. Which one of these is your very favorite? Billions of snowflakes fall during a blizzard. All them are same size, but guess what? Snowflakes is a little different. When is blizzard? This is a snowdrift. Blizzards blow snow into huge piles called snowdrift. A snowdrift can be more than 20 feet tall. That's taller than a giraffe. This shows a snowstorm in New York City. Winter's weather is cold, so the snow does not melt. It's just piled up and up. In America, most blizzards happen in December, January, and February. Blizzards can cause big problems. The snowy, precise walls and millwalks, blowing wind knocks down trees and power lines. This is snowing so hard you can barely see this house. The falling snows make it very hard to see. This is called white out because everywhere you look there is white. Chapter 3. Staying safe. Scientists use computers to help predict when blizzards will hit. When weather reports say that blizzard is coming, people have to get ready. They shut their windows tightly and make sure their pets are safely inside. People also make sure they have a lot of food. Why? They may be stuck inside for a long time. Snow blocks roads, tracks, and runways that mean vehicles can't go anywhere. Have you ever seen a snow day? Blizzards keep grown-ups from going to work and keep kids from going to school. They keep pets from going outside. Fast fact, after blizzard, it can take a week for snow to melt. That is unit. The snow planes come and that all gives. That's unit.